Here I'm discussing about that. If running any campaign, so amount was deducted in your ads. So amount will be closed. So you have stop for total campaign is first step. Or else you can stop for individual group is the second step. We have the two option will be there. One is a pause or remove or resume. Is a common thing. You can only two options for your campaign for two options. Here will be called one is enable, second will be pause is there. So here not showing for remove option. Yes or no? Only showing for enable and pause. If you remove this campaign, select this, click for edit. The option call is remove. You can remove edit and total all campaigns or one campaign also. So if I'm selecting for individual campaigns, you can remove by item two campaigns. Not required. I can remove for my particular ad group. Go to this here. What option? Enable and pause. I can remove a total ad group. Select here. Click this. Click for remove option. When select the total ad group tick mark, we can remove this option. Or else we can't remove. All we can use it for enable and pause. Enable nothing but resume and pause. Now here, go to your particular keywords. Select your each keyword. Enable and pause. At a time, you can delete for one keyword, two keywords, three keywords. Select it, select it. Now you're selecting this keyword. Why? Because the keyword is pause. Select it for this card. The keyword side, they are showing only for one option, pause and enable. But when you click the select the keyword, they can show for enable, pause and remove option. You can stop the total campaign. The campaign, each individual ad groups can stop and remove. Second thing, in an ad group, we can certain keyword will be deleted, total keyword will be removed, and pause and enable also. This is option available for your AdWords campaign. Any keyword you're getting for no leads, you can pause and remove also. So first up, I can go to the all campaigns. In the all campaigns, I can pause a total campaign. Pause a total campaign. Which campaign is not required? See here. So I'm searching for one option. So this option is not required. Select it. Click for remove. Remove for total campaign. This is called pause, enable, remove for your campaigns on the options.